Now then folks, good morning. Proper magnet man, ripping Manchester up. A bit overgrown down here folks, but I'm going that way anyway. Nice little weir over to the right. And as you can see there's a bridge there, so I'm going to start clicking there and work from here folks. I've got my tripod today. Let's give these angles, these shots another angle to look at. See how we get on folks. See you all soon. There you go folks, I'm not far from Miles Platting. I'm going to work on that way, I think. So let's get clicking folks, find some treats. Right ladies and gents, first bike out. There we go. It is an energy. It is. Oh, it's Sentinel. It's creamed as well. Get a smash there, get some of that mud off it. Nice bit of old trusty rebar folks. And we've got a nice big fat bolt there as well guys. Happy clicking round here. Guys, what on earth's that? I think I've found a bomb. It appears to have no end on it, as you can see. Boom boom! I'm just in touch with somebody, one of my friends, to see if we can get any confirmation on what it is. I'm hoping it's not dangerous, because otherwise we're going to have to close the bloody road down. I don't want to do that guys. So I'm just waiting on a call folks to see my mate can ID what we've got. It appears to have a copper band here. That could be really dangerous guys, so I'm not going to handle it again. I'm going to pop it up for you until I get the call. Oh, don't say that, I've got to go already. I've only been here an hour folks. Just waiting on a call from my mate. And we'll see what happens from there, eh? Luckily there's nobody coming past at the moment. I don't know where to take it either guys, because that's the main road. There's a train track down there for Manchester main line, so I can't take it that way. Here's a clue folks. Hopefully my mate gets back to me real soon and we don't have to ring anyone. Fingers crossed folks. Here he goes. Hey up mate. Hey Steve. Oh bollocks! So I still need to ring it in mate, yeah? Right, so therefore ring it in mate, yeah? Oh, I've only just got here as well Steve. Oh, you know where I am? I'm at, I'm right in between, right near the main bloody train tracks in Manchester. Oh, yeah, it's quite a way to it, buddy. Oh well, I best pack my kit up and give somebody a ring then, Anna. And move to the next bridge, mate. The advice is, folks, I'm talking to my camera, ring it and run. So that's what we're doing, folks. See you soon. Yeah, I'll get onto it straight away, Steve. Yeah, cheers for that, mate. I thought it was as soon as it came out. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Right, okay. Yeah, yeah, this could be all sorts inside. It's got a big pot of hands running out bottom of it there. You know, about an inch up, then there's a band on it. Right, okay, mate. Let's upset the neighbours! Oh, pissing pants. I didn't want to find one of them. Oh well. Better out than in, Steve. Better out than in. Cheers for your info, mate. Alright, buddy. Get it up on YouTube and on Facebook. Boom, boom. I'll have to do it then. Oh, what a shame. Alright, mate. Cheers for ringing us anyway, Steve, even though you're at work. Alright, boss. See you soon. Bye-bye. What 3 words? Broken.Judges.Stress. Aye, police, please. Hi, good morning. I've partaken in a sport called magnet fishing, mate. Unfortunately, I think I found a World War II bomb. Just give me 1 second, I'll go on my What3Words app and get you the 3 words. Or do you need the place, actually? Yeah, yeah. Alright, mate, I'll just take the phone away from me here while I do it. Yeah, I've got What3Words up. They are broken judges, as in a judge in the court, with an S on the end, and stress, amazingly. Broken judges stress. Yeah, yeah. It's really good, isn't it, mate? You know, we've all started using this because obviously sometimes we do come across ordnance. I've come for a couple of hours to play havoc, mate, and I'm gutted now because I've got to stop. Yeah, no worries, mate. So, guys, I'm out of here. Got told some advice when you find a bomb. It's called ring and run, folks. Ring and run. Catch you all soon, folks. I'm running.
If there's any chance that the chat concern got this down east.
Right, folks, couldn't get to the bin at the other side, so it's all gone in Bert, all the rubbish included. Bomb squad are en route, I think. We're just waiting for word back from the supervisor. So yeah, they are going to close the road down. I'm at Manchester City Council Grimshaw Lane Depot, if anyone's wondering where I am. Win-win, folks, look at that. Magnet Man's got a coffee. Yeehaw! So we've got straight to left cut off, straight forward cut off. We've got police there, we've got police here. Bomb squad are en route, roughly about an hour they said, so we'll see when they turn up.